Samsung is finally rolling out the latest One UI 3.0 beta for the Galaxy Z Flip. This update signals that Samsung has fixed the issues found on the recent beta and that it will resume the update cycle for other devices. The announcement was reportedly made on the Samsung member apps. Accordingly, the update is currently rolling out to users of South Korea. It includes both the Galaxy Z Flip 5G and LTE variants. This is probably to test that the update doesn't contain any major bugs before a wider rollout. Additionally, a beta operation manager has reportedly informed the community that other models of the designated list will start getting the beta updates this week. This suggests that devices like Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, S10e, Z Fold 2 will get the latest One UI 3.0 based on Android 11. Plus, a moderator for Galaxy Note has reportedly confirmed that the next beta for Galaxy Note 10 series is coming this week.